Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Till now we have learned how to attach a disk to a VM, how to bring in an OS, how to use fdisk command to create a partition using npw. Okay, then we have learned about how to format, how to mount, and how to unmount, how to remove a disk from a OS and how to remove a disk from a virtual machine. Then we have learned about the extended partition, logical partition, primary partition, why they required. But our story is in half. This is the second part. I am telling you df-h. You are able to see this SDB5 disk partition 1, okay, and SDB6 disk 2 partition 2 is there in a OS. But if I reboot this system, this partition will go because we haven't make any permanent entry to bring that in a OS. So whenever OS boots up, we have to give everything in a file, so OS will read those files, bring that partition mounted. Till now we have used mount command only, so that is still in a memory, not in a hard disk. Okay, so I will show you. If I do init 6, okay, I'll pause this video. Once system come up, I will resume it without any changes. So our server came up. Okay, let's restart this session. Okay, session got restarted. Then let me become a root user. Now previously df-h, it was showing SDB5 and 6 is there, but if I run, those are gone. Okay, see df-h not there. We'll do ls-blk. Okay, these partitions are there, but only the mount point where we have mounted, that is gone. Why? Because we didn't make any permanent entry. So earlier how we used mount, what to mount, /dev sdb5, and where to mount, /disk to partition 1. Okay, and same will do disk to partition 2 and the disk 6. Okay, df-h and lsblk, both sides is showing mounted, but to make this file system mounted permanently, we have to make an entry in a file called cat/etc fstab. This is called file system table. So if you see, already slash is there, and we are having boot and swap, 3 partition is showing here. So we'll explain those partition, but today we'll make an entry of this. So how we have to read? Same in mount, what to mount, where to mount, file system xfs, and defaults 00. So what we'll do, we'll take a backup of this /etc fstab. So if I make some problem like some syntax error, so I can recover or revert the changes. Today is 25th of November 2022. Backup is done. Now I'll open file /dev etc fstab. Okay, SDB5 and SDB6 we are mounting on this. Okay, we'll go to this, we'll press O to edit to new line. What to mount, /dev sdb5 tab. Where to mount, we want /2 this to partition 2, then tab, but the file system xfs, and this will do copy defaults, then default, after default we'll put tab 0 space 0. Okay, we have made entry for SDB5. Now we'll do dev /sdb6 will mount on disk 2 partition 2. File system type is xfs, defaults 00. Okay, I will save this file, write and quit. If I do df-h, partition are there, but to validate, if I do mount-a, there is no error. Now I will restart the server again and we'll see this file system will come up or not automatically. I am again pausing this video till the server comes up. So as you can see, my server came up. Let me restart this session. Okay, we'll become a root user. Perfect, clear screen. Now before reboot we have done df-h. Okay, if you see /dev sdb5 mounted, /dev sdb6 is mounted, it's showing here, and lsblk it's showing 5 and 6 mounted. Perfect, that's what we want. Whatever we mounted post server restart, it should come in the same manner. So for that we are having /etc fstab file system table. Under this, how we are making the entry: what to mount tab, where to mount tab, file system type tab, defaults 00. We'll discuss about default and these parameter in a detail in upcoming video. Till now, if you want to make a file system permanent available on your system, you should make an entry in fstab. That's the complete story of this complete video. In next video, we'll discuss about more on fstab and mount command. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.